So you wanna be a cowboy and you wanna rodeo.
That's mud, dude. That's not oil, that's mud. Whipped mud. The old whippersnappers taking out the power equipment. They bring her back fucking with the cheese in it. What a fucking... Let's fire it up. Let's take a closer look.
Put that oil in yesterday.
That's what's gonna happen. We changed this yesterday.
John Deere's fuck, bro. Tractor. They're not bad. Go through the creek. Walk it in the stove.
Stretch.
Oh, night shark.
Oh, I got that machete.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna wear these every day.
That's what I was doing at Josh's. Oh, Odie's getting his Timbit. Odie? Thanks.
Oh, for the boys.
Odie!
Holy shit, 3 of them.
Oh!
What a spoiled rotten fucking fridge. Holy shit, last week was a good week to pour it into my iPhone.
Here.
Fuck's sake.
Odie? Odie!
Kid Rock, who fucking was there.
Watch yourself.
I'm watching those shifts. Keep an eye on my transmission for it.
Alright, make sure she's in reverse there, buddy. Alright, get my gloves on.
Alright, let me get...
Did you fuck ever see that? This is a clutch bike with an iPhone. Keep her rolling, boys. Holy fuck, we're filming. Look at him give her. Holy fucker, boys. Holy shit. Oh, yeah. I'm hitting this one-handed. Did you fucker see that? Holy fuck, right here. One hand, boys. Fucking 1-footer. Woo! We're fucking cooking it, boys. I'm getting used to this. Talented rider here. Jesus Christ, he stopped right in front of the guy. He's got an iPhone. Give her, bud. Oh, he stalled her. Not fucking bad, buddy. Alright. Oh, come on, bitch. Let's get. Oh, yeah, yeah, but give her, buddy. Wow. Goose it through the woods there. You start ripping it through the woods. What? Nothing. Holy fuck, it's gonna get dark. The bike's dying out here, boys. We're fucking dicks. Oh. Look at the techniques on them. Alright, let's get it. That is a deep fucking hole here, boys. Might have to go home and get the pickup truck. Easy. Lucky or down? He's sinking it. Like nothing. Lucky or stupid? Stupid or lucky? It's too easy for him. Hey. Doesn't even care.